I first visited here about 4 years ago when it was so overgrown. I mean, you couldn't even see the gardener's cottage, it was completely covered in ivy. To see the progression over the years has been absolutely amazing. But a bit that's particularly important to me is in the Paradise Garden. I'm a life member. I only became a life member when the RHS actually made a commitment to having a garden in the northwest. My husband wasn't a gardener, I was a gardener, but he was the sitting in the garden on a bench kind of gardener, drinking gin and tonic. Anyway, as life members, we were invited, did we want to sponsor, buy a chair or a bench? My husband sadly died about 4.5 years ago, so I decided I needed to buy a seat. But I knew he would have hated having his name on it, so I decided against a name. So I chose his favourite quote. There's a crack in everything, that's how the light gets in. And that kind of sums up this place to me, because this was overgrown. It was unused, unloved, unwanted, and the RHS saw the crack in it, and the RHS brought the light. So I kind of think that's my story, that quote, for me, epitomises what's good about RHS Bridgewater.